Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you 10 keyboard shortcuts in Filmora 9, which can save you lots of time editing videos. Let's getting started now. When you want to play the preview, press spacebar on your keyboard. And when you to stop the preview, also press spacebar on your keyboard. It's simple, right? It's one of my favorite shortcuts in Filmora 9. When you want to jump between edit points on the timeline, use up or down arrow key instead of left and right arrow key to save your time. When you press the up key, your playhead will jump forward. And when you press down arrow key, your playhead will jump backward. When editing video, use keyboard combination Shift+Z to view everything on the timeline. By doing this, you will be able to check your complete project before exporting it. In order to zoom in or out the timeline, use keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+- or plus instead of pressing the zoom button on the timeline. In order to open Filmora 9 color correction window, use Ctrl+Shift+C keyboard shortcuts instead of right-click on the track and select color correction. Don't forget to select your clip first. In order to pull out the editing window of video or image, use Alt+C shortcuts instead of pressing this button. Don't forget to select the clip you want to edit first. To copy video effect of a clip, use Ctrl+Alt+C on your keyboard. You also need to select the clip you wanted to copy first. This is a super important keyboard shortcuts you should not forget. Always save your project while editing. Finally, press Ctrl+E to export your project when finished. These are 10 keyboard shortcuts in Filmora 9 I want to show you in today's video. I hope you like the tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next videos. Bye for now.